Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we're going to be taking a look at the new carrying container just added to Minecraft called the Bundle. And it's basically just a little bag that can hold up to 64 different items or a single stack of 64, and it can also hold like one big item like a sword before it gets full. And it's created by combining a leather and a string inside of either your crafting inventory or on a crafting table. So if we grab those, pop this bad boy open, and we mix together leather and a string, we can get ourselves a bundle. And bundles are kind of handy because we can throw all sorts of stuff into it. Our odds and ends, like, you know, a little bit of dirt, some bricks, some wood. And it's convenient because it turns, you know, several different item slots in your inventory into a single item slot that's now full of all of these items that you can then just right-click to throw on the ground if you want to just throw them at your friend. So they're kind of handy in that regard. And the thing that you can grab if you click on it, again, if you right-click it, is whatever you put in most recently. You can slowly pull stuff out of there. Or you can even pick it up and then right-click things that are inside of it in order to put them back out of the bundle, or you can then click on things individually if you want to grab them with the bundle in your hand, and you can even see what's inside of it. Now, something else that's kind of interesting about bundles, if you grab another set of them, let me just grab some other bundles here, is that you can put bundles inside of other bundles, or if I wanted to, I could put this bundle inside, even though it's got a bunch of stuff in it already, I can put this one inside of that bundle. So that's kind of handy. I mean, you can put bundles inside of bundles, but it still only counts, each bundle still only counts as a singular bundle. Now, the other thing that's kind of handy about bundles when you're playing around with them is that they can be dyed different colors based upon whatever color dye you happen to have on you. You just grab the basic bundle, open up the crafting table, slap that bad boy down with your dye of choice, and boom, you have a bundle that is now blue. And then you can, you know, again, dye them anything that you have a dye color for available in your inventory, which is really handy. Although do keep in mind that there are certain items that take up the entire bundle, and you're not really saving all that much inventory space. That includes things like swords. Now this bundle is full, whereas if I put a few of these strings in them, now I could still fit up to, you know, 64 items in the individual bundle, provided they're not one big crafted item like a sword, which I cannot put in there right now. So that's kind of like a brief look at how bundles work. They're kind of handy. They save you space on little odds and ends in your inventory, but they're not going to replace things like chests, shulker boxes, or barrels anytime soon. They're just a convenient travel starting equipment because currently they only take one leather and one string to make. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Enjoy your bundles.